And you mentioned assortative mating, where people tend to find mates who are similar to them on certain traits. We do see this pretty strongly on educational attainment. It's funny you mentioned that because my wife and I discovered after we were married that we are actually ninth cousins. So I don't know how much assortative mating that causes. Ninth cousins, we have a very, very distant common ancestor, but there's some
I mean,
pedigree
it's
collapse
legal,
there.
so
Yeah, it's legal. Ninth cousins, we're not embarrassed by it.
yeah.
It's actually a little funny, but yeah, there's some assortative mating, and that can drive up the predictors. Correct me if I have this right. It drives up the population predictor, but it drives down the within family predictor because it's making the
Um,
siblings more alike. Or do I have that backwards?
it doesn't really influence the within family
Oh, okay.
predictors because it's just like we have it drives up the familial background, which is the
Okay.
between family predictions, whereas within family is I kind of understand it as a random process or like a Mendelian lottery because it basically comes from like how embryo form through
Hmm.
meiosis, which we think is a quite like a random process, whereas the between family effects is more like a systematic genetic
Got it.
phenomenon.
Got it.